Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Kwikset Powerbolt 250 keypad lock in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by removing the inside battery cover, which is this particular cover over here. So you need to remove it from the Kwikset Powerbolt 250. Now, when you open this particular cover, you are going to see the battery pack inside, and here you will also see the programming button. So make sure that the door stays open during the reset process to avoid any kind of lockouts. Now, what you need to do first, you need to simply remove these batteries completely from the lock. Afterwards, you just have to do nothing but to just simply wait for a few seconds so that the internal memory and the electronics fully power down before continuing. Now you just have to simply press and hold this particular power button over here, and then you just have to keep holding this particular button for at least 15 seconds until you hear a long beep or until you see the status light flash. Then you just have to simply release the button, and this is going to restore the lock back to the factory default settings, and it will also remove the old user codes. So after resetting your lock, the lock usually needs to relearn the door direction. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to simply press the program button once. After that, you just have to simply press 0. Then you just have to simply press the quick set button. So the bolt should extend and retract automatically while the lock detects the handling direction. Now you can program a fresh unlock code, and that's how you can basically reset it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.